The next presentation is Hals from Mr. 2. Yeah? We want to speak about the rain sensor in the automotive environment. Yeah, Mr. 2, the floor is yours. Please, presentation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is TU-Chemnitz. I'm studying in brain and media technology, and this is my second semester. My topic, optical ring sensor. And this is the overview of my short presentation, and you can see there's a basic introduction about ring sensors and how it works, the advantage and disadvantage. Because of the time, maybe I can't explain every detail of the ring sensor, but I hope I will introduce some fundamental information. I hope you get it. And why ring sensor? Why we need ring sensor? Nowadays, people want to place many different kinds of sensors in our vehicles to increase active or passive safety. Obviously, the ring sensor is one of them. So, what it can bring us? So the ring sensor can make a quick response to the condition of ring automatically. And at the same time, the ring sensor can control the speed of the vapor without driver's manipulation, which means it seems totally hands-free. It's make the driver more convenient during their driving, I think. And nowadays, there are two main types of ring sensor. As you see, one is capacitive ring sensor, and another is optical ring sensor. Personally, I'm very interested in the optical ring sensor. That's why I choose to introduce it to you. There are many applications about ring sensors, like the ring's perception and the measurement of the ring force, and the irrigation control, and the humidity control. So, how it works? Typically, the optical ring sensor consists of a light emitting diode, and a light receiving diode, and an ambient light sensor, and several lenses. So, as you see the picture, this is LED. The LED will emit a light which will be reflected by the windshield, and the LRD will receive the total reflection if the surface of the windshield is dry. But what will happen if there's water above the windshield? Okay, you can see the light from the LED will be reflected by the water, and the LRD will detect the small change and to submit the information to microcontroller. And the microcontroller will analyze it and make a quick response. They can choose to start or stop the vapor, and also can choose the speed of the vapor. So it seems like somewhat intelligent, right? So the advantage and disadvantage of the optical ring sensor. As I said, the ring sensor can make a response automatically, which means it's totally hands-free. And we can put a light sensor, combine a light sensor with a ring sensor together in the same device, and it's very easy to install. And the optical infrared sensing is very reliable, which has already been proved. There also have some disadvantage of the optical ring sensor. An optical ring sensor requires many very complex circuitry and precision manufacturing. And you know, the optical sensor just shares a very small space of the windshield, which means if the ring drops, just avoid this sensor error, which means the sensor can't make a quick response. But personally, I can say it's impossible, but the possibility is relatively low. You can imagine when you're driving in a rainy day and the rain just drop on your windshield, but except the sensor error, right? The possibility is very low, so I think the problem is okay. So, the next presentation, which is my final presentation, I have enough time. Maybe I will give a detail about every component of the optical ring sensor. And also I will illustrate the data of the working process. Also will make a lot of outlook and a conclusion. So this is the reference I use, not too much. And thank you for your attention.